Please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon and never miss any update. At first take a water bottle and cut it like this. Now take a shock, pour it. Now cut it. Take a container of water and bubble mixture. Now mix it. By this kind you can make plenty of bubbles. See, for drawing a 3D sketch of your hand, at first you have to draw the boundary of your hand. See, like this. After that you have to take a sketch pen and draw straight line. Now half round shape and twist step line. Repeat this step. See, our 3D sketch is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.